Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Aftermarket truck parts. What's worth it? Customizing your truck isn't just about making it look cool. For many enthusiasts, it's a way to enhance both performance and utility. Aftermarket truck parts give you the opportunity to tailor your ride to your exact needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to increase horsepower, improve your truck's towing capacity, enhance off-road performance, or simply give it a more aggressive look, aftermarket parts offer a wide array of options. But with these benefits come challenges, including navigating quality concerns, costs, and compatibility. So, how do you make smart decisions when upgrading your truck? Let's dive in. OEM versus aftermarket truck parts. The first big question that every truck owner faces: should you go with OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts or aftermarket parts? Understanding the key differences between the two is crucial for making the right decision. Definition and overview of OEM parts. OEM parts are made by the original manufacturer of your truck, meaning they are identical to the components that came with your truck when it was new. Whether it's a replacement part for a broken component or an upgrade for enhanced performance, an OEM part will meet factory specifications, ensuring that it fits your truck perfectly. The benefits of OEM parts are clear. Quality assurance and compatibility. OEM parts are made to the exact standards set by the manufacturer, so they are guaranteed to fit and work seamlessly with your vehicle. You won't have to worry about compatibility issues or installation problems. Warranty peace of mind. OEM parts often come with warranties, providing extra peace of mind that you won't need to replace the part again anytime soon. However, there are some trade-offs. Higher cost. The main downside of OEM parts is that they tend to be more expensive than aftermarket options. The brand name and the quality assurance come at a premium price. Fewer customization options. When it comes to performance or aesthetic enhancements, OEM parts are often more limited in variety and options compared to aftermarket alternatives. Benefits of aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts, made by third-party companies, offer a broad spectrum of advantages. Their popularity lies in their affordability, customization options, and performance potential. Cost savings. Aftermarket parts are often much cheaper than their OEM counterparts. This is especially helpful when you want to customize or upgrade multiple aspects of your truck without breaking the bank. Variety and customization. One of the biggest selling points of aftermarket parts is the sheer variety. Whether you're looking for custom bumpers, exhaust systems that deliver better sound, or a high-performance suspension, the aftermarket offers almost endless possibilities for personalization. Availability. Aftermarket parts are typically easier to find in stock, both online and in local stores. While OEM parts may need to be ordered and can take time to arrive, many aftermarket parts are readily available. These advantages make aftermarket parts appealing, especially for truck owners who value customization and cost-effectiveness. Potential drawbacks of aftermarket parts. While the benefits of aftermarket parts are significant, they aren't without their downsides. Inconsistent quality. Not all aftermarket manufacturers uphold the same standards of quality. Some parts may be built with lower-grade materials, potentially leading to premature wear or performance issues. Warranty voiding. Depending on your truck's warranty terms, installing aftermarket parts could void the warranty. Many manufacturers are strict about modifications and may refuse to cover damages or failures related to aftermarket parts. Compatibility issues. Not all aftermarket parts are designed with your exact model in mind. This can lead to fitment issues, performance discrepancies, or complications during installation. Always verify compatibility before making a purchase. By understanding these potential drawbacks, you can make more informed decisions about which aftermarket parts are worth the investment. Essential aftermarket truck parts worth investing in. If you're looking to enhance your truck with performance-driven, functional, or aesthetic upgrades, certain aftermarket parts are often worth the investment. Here's a deeper dive into the must-have parts for any truck enthusiast. Performance upgrades. For many truck owners, the main reason to buy aftermarket parts is to improve the truck's performance, whether that means more horsepower, better fuel efficiency, or enhanced towing capabilities. Exhaust systems. A new exhaust system can significantly improve airflow, leading to increased horsepower and torque. This can be especially beneficial for trucks that need to tow heavy loads or travel long distances. Cold air intakes. By feeding cooler air into your engine, a cold air intake can improve engine performance and efficiency. It's a simple, cost-effective upgrade that can give your truck a noticeable boost. Turbochargers. For diesel truck owners looking to take their performance to the next level, installing a turbocharger can drastically increase power and towing capacity. Performance upgrades like these not only make your truck more capable, but they also add an exciting level of responsiveness to your driving experience. Suspension and lift kits. If you're planning on taking your truck off-road or hauling heavy loads, upgrading your suspension should be at the top of your list. Lift kits. Installing a lift kit increases the ground clearance of your truck, allowing you to navigate rough and uneven terrain with ease. It also gives your truck a bold, aggressive look. Heavy-duty shocks. Upgrading your shocks will improve handling, especially when hauling or towing. Heavy-duty shocks are designed to handle more weight and provide better stability, ensuring a smoother and safer ride. Not only do suspension and lift kits improve performance, but they also give your truck a rugged, off-road ready appearance. That wraps up part 1 of our deep dive into aftermarket truck parts. Hopefully, you've got some great ideas for your truck. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll go even deeper into some more awesome mods and upgrades. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.